you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to keep it nice, down, dirty, greasy. This is not going to be the health food recipe that you were hoping for. So we're going to do good old-fashioned smash burgers. If you've never had a smash burger, you're in for a treat. So sit back, grab your popcorn, check out the video, and make sure if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know when a video posts every week. And let's get started with a smash burger. The supporting cast is as simple as this. It's a real easy burger. We got our 80-20 ground beef. I got it balled up in about equal amounts, and we're going to use these. I got, 7 of them here, but I probably won't cook them all today. And as far as spices, garlic powder, some fresh cracked black pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt. That's all that I'm going to season the beef with. Then for condiments, I got some bread and butter pickles that I like, and some onion. I'm not going to grill them. You can grill them if you like, but I'm just keeping them raw. We got some butter, and then we got this good old favorite fake cheese. The reason why I use this, it melts great, and this is what a smash burger is. And then of course we got some plain old hamburger buns. Use whatever buns you want. If you want some brioche buns, or if you want, it's up to you, but I just want plain old regular white hamburger buns. So let's get started with this. If I didn't mention, I'm doing this on a Still-Made USA grill. So I'll meet you over at the grill. Okay, so we're over here at the griddle. This is my Still-Made USA grill. If you guys have never seen me use this, it's been a while since I did a video on it, but I'm back, baby, I'm back. So this is the Still-Made USA griddle. If you want one of these, all you have to do is click on the link in my description. It'll take you over to their website. You use Big Tone as your product code. It'll give you 10% off your purchase. I promise. As far as the Still-Made goes, I got it on. I got my heat a little bit of more than halfway on each eye. So I'm adding a little bit of butter to each eye here. Well, a lot of bit of butter. A couple things that you're going to need for a smash burger that I didn't mention in the supporting cast is you're going to need a spatula, not like your normal spatula that you use on the Still-Made or Blackstone. You're going to need one like this because you want to get underneath of that beef. Something that you can scrape it up with. So that's very important. Second thing, parchment paper. Got to have a piece of parchment paper. Pick it up at any store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my first couple pieces of ground beef on. We're just going to set them right on the eyes here. Alright. We're going to grab our parchment paper. And you're going to need something heavy to smash them. I got this bacon press here. And we're just going to smash. Hence the word smash burger. We're going to hold it for about 10, maybe 12 seconds or so. I'm just making sure I get it all smashed right. And we're going to hold it there just so we can formulate that crust. Alright. Going to move to the second bunch of ground beef. And I'm just going to hold it there so we can get that crust. There we go. So we're going to let that do nothing except for cook for right now. We're going to let that crust caramelize on the bottom. I'm going to do another one over here real quick because I'm going to make mine a triple. Hold it down for about 10-12 seconds. Let that crust build. Doesn't take long to cook these either. Alright, while those are cooking up, we're going to do a little bit of seasoning here. A little bit of seasoning, garlic powder, pink Himalayan sea salt, and some fresh cracked black pepper. Just that simple, guys. Just that simple. So it's kind of like a pancake. So you can see the edges kind of forming, and this one's ready. So I'm going to take it, get it loose, and we're just going to flip it. Look at that crust on there. That's what we're looking for. Flip it over. Look at that crust. Ha-ha! In the meantime, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put a bun on and get it nice and toasted for us. Put that right over there. Get that toasted up. This one's about ready to flip. There we go. That's what we're looking for, that crust. Alright, next thing I'm going to add is my cheese. Throw my cheese on here. Alright, we're going to put a little bit of water around this one. Let the cheese melt for a second. Check my buns. Ah, yeah, there we go. Toasting up nicely. And we're going to move to the next one so we can get this cheese melted. So for this one, I'm going to move it to the center here, just because it's already done. Same with that one. And this one I'm going to put on the bottom anyway. So, got our 3 burgers there. We're making this a triple. So I'm going to grab my plate. Grab my toasted buns. Throw them on my plate. Come over here, I'm going to grab some burgers, put it right here on this bun. Told you this was not going to be your health food meal today. This is that smash burger, triple. Yeah. Alright, so let me take you over to the counter, show you the condiments I'm putting on here. My smash burgers there, I got my 3 patties, I got some little bit of mayo, you can use whatever you want. I got a couple bread and butter pickles and some onion on there. And you can tell the smash burger is bigger than the bun. Just gonna put the lid on, smash it down. That's why it's called a smash burger. I told you this is a nothing nice video here. Alright guys, so there you go, smash burger. If you don't want grease, then stay away from this one. This is what it is. You know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Simple, oh so flavorful, smash burger. You know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Oh, this is gonna be messy. That crust makes all the difference in the world. Hey guys, if you want one of the Still Made USA grills, just click on the link in the description. Take you right over to Still Made USA, get you 10% off your next purchase when you use Big Tone as the coupon code when you check out. Hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.